Traders looking at the pound CAD daily time frame. Right, this is pushed up into liquidity. Okay, we're looking at these buy stops that are resting up in here. It's pushed right up into it. This is overextended, and I'm expecting some kind of pullback given that it's trading into this level here. I'm looking to buy, obviously looking to go long, but where do you get involved? So on the 4-hour time frame, we've got this expansion, and back down in here, this thin candle imbalance, okay, bullish imbalance, one-sided trading. So we'll just mark that up. Market looks for liquidity. There's liquidity resting right there, and a ton of liquidity resting under here in the form of these sell stops, okay, under all of this. So one, it's chewing into this, and the most likely outcome is it eats up these orders up in here and pulls back down in here to attack this. So two things: one, liquidity, and the other thing is the market looks to rebalance. All right, so we have this fair value gap is a prime target for this to move back down. So I'm looking for an entry point in here where it pulls, if it pulls back. Now look, can it just range through here and continue? Yeah, it can do that. But I really don't want to get involved trading at a premium. I want it to come back down into this discount zone, as in if we pull a Fibonacci from this low to high, looking at this price swing, it's trading at a premium, and it's trading into this external range high over here. So my thing would be it pulls back, and I'd be looking to go long when it retraces and finds support and then breaks structure, bullish. Potential targets would be this high, and this one here, if it continues up. All right, so there's 3 levels that we could consider for targets. If it pulls back, I'd be looking for the entry on the break of structure, stop under the low, and you got 3 targets there to play around with. I'd be looking at this on a 15-minute or a 30-minute. Simple matter of setting up a system that alerts you somehow, when this pulls back. For example, this pulls back and then it starts to break structure. Yeah, we've got a bit of a thing here, like, it pulls back, lower lows, lower highs, that could be extended, but you just got to mark up the pullback as I've done here, and then just look for that breakout and then retrace. All right, so that's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm just thinking, like through the London session, I wonder if it pulls back through the London session, or it just continues to meander through here and we get the pullback into the US session tonight. But at some stage, I want the pullback, and then, I'm in. So that's my take on the pound CAD. What else can I say? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So with this, I would, I'd want it to pull back. It pulls back. Look down here. You've got this range, this downtrend, and it breaks structure. Right here, you can see this candle here? That's a break of market structure. Earlier on, we get a shift in the trend. That's a change of character, structural shift, and then an actual break of market structure. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. I want that pullback, and the same thing that's occurring here to happen here. Hope that makes sense. If you've gained anything from the video, I like to see the comments come in, and I try to reply to all of them. So that's it, guys. That's my take on the pound CAD. Yep. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.